Okay. Go to transform data and select the sheet. When you go to transform data, the sheet is visible on the left hand side. Okay. When you click here, data is visible like this. Okay. Everything. Now here, see, date is in the US format. And what is the US format? Maybe you know, no? M M MMDDYY. Yes, you are right. So this is the US format. So if you want to change it, we can change it like click on this here, date here, but it's already selected date format. So no changes. Go to use local. So DDMMYY is the Indian format mostly, right? Okay, see. See, it's a we have to choose like text and go to English Indian. Okay, and click OK. Now this will change DDMMYY. See, DD31 is the day because in month we have only the 12 months and day like that. So this way we can change the date. Okay, if you want to change the this currency, you can change it. For currency, I'm going to choose sales column. This one. Click on this. Even you directly choose on this, see here. Now it's come everywhere. So you can change the format. Even if you want to change more, click on this. Go for using local. Hmm. So fixed decimal for currency and whatever you want, you can choose it. Any whatever you have required, you can change it. Let's suppose I change something different thing. What is this? English American Sema Australia. What is this? Oh, okay, okay, okay. It's a place or what? It's a place. Okay. Okay, so it's changed like this. So you can use whatever you want. Okay, currency format. Then data transformation. To modify structure the will like go to the Power Query, transform data, go to the uppercase, lowercase, you can choose it. Let's suppose we have this category and technology furnitures like this. If I want to convert this, go to home tab and then transform data, format, uppercase, lowercase, clean, anything. So click on uppercase, changes. Change it. Now, if you want to cancel or whatever we did here, it's recorded here. All the steps. Just cancel. It changes again. Back format. Change it. Change it. Anything you have. Yeah. Modify. You can change it. Okay. And after that, replace null value to the zero. Like let's suppose we have so many null values in our data set, and we have to make this something like, let's see, this is a null value. If I change it to the whole number, like something zero, we can connect it. So select the column and go to replace home, go to home and find the replace here, replace value. Click on this, write null, so value to find and replace with zero. See, entire value is not zero. Wherever null, it's zero. Okay. So now it's in the same data format, that is whole number or decimal number. Okay. So you can do this. After that, understanding of data type. So each column must have correct type. See here. So Power Query automatically select the data type, like this is a numeric data type, so it's whole number. Okay, 1, 2, 3 like this. This is a text value, so ABC. This is a date, so date format. See, date format. And this is also date, text value, text value. So automatically selected. If there is any confusion, we can change. Let me check whether it's a decimal or not. Go to this. See, is there any value which is decimal? I don't think so. Because postal code should not be in decimal. Zero means no postal code, but there is no decimal, so we can change it here. Whole number. Done. So this is the correct data type. And then this is text value defined. Reason is fine. Go for this one. Okay, see here. This is decimal is correct because the rupees are in the points. That is possible. Quantity should not be in decimal. So it's already whole number. Discount in the whole number. Oh, sorry, decimal number. Okay, so this way we can change the data type. So text value, whole number, decimal number, date, format like this. Okay. After that, data profiling. So under that, first of all, check. So column distribution. Go to view in a Power Query editor. So here we have view. This is a view tab, and column distribution here. If you click on this, you get a graph here, bar graph here. Okay. Now, if you try to read this one, just touch this. See what is this? Total 914 unique value and 951 distinct value. Okay. If I touch this, 399 unique value and 614 distinct value. So now you understand how many unique value, how many values are repeating. Okay. Even you can understand about the outlier. What is outlier? Hello. Outlier. See, these values are very smaller here. Okay. But one of the value is very bigger. So this is the outlier. This is out of the group, and it may be a very big compared to others. That's why it becomes the outlier. But it's a postal code. Just an example I tell you. because we change it. Zero we created it, but just for differentiate what is outlier, I tell you the example. Let's suppose we have an average of marks like 60, 70, and 50 like this. If somebody get 99, that is outlier. Or maybe salary, maybe salary of the employee is like 50,000, 60,000, 65,000, 70,000. If some of the employee has 10 lakhs, so the 10 lakhs guy is the outlier. Right? So this way we can check the unique value, repeated value, and outlier. Okay, using this graph. Unique value, distinct value, and outlier. Yes. Error. Wrong data type. So wrong data type, text in numeric column, incorrect formulas, import issues. So like age column, value is 25, 30. If ABC, that is not possible. Age should not be ABC. That is the error. We have to change it. Replace the value. Replace the error. Change the data type. So wherever, if we get, see here, when you get null values in a postal code, that is not possible. So we replace it with the zero. Okay. Even uh, change the data. If we get some wrong data here, in the beginning it shows like decimal. Okay, but we change it into the whole number. So that is the error. And then null value. So null value we already changes from 0 to, sorry, null to 0, or maybe out of 100 data we have 5 null value. So change it or delete it. Remove the rows or replace the value with the 0. Fill up down. What is this? Let's suppose we have this value. Okay, and I want to just overcome this error. I copy this and replace all, or I just copy this and replace all. So there is an option. Select this, right click, fill. Now if you click down, see what happens. No changes. Why? But I'm going to remove first this one. Okay. Three, five. Okay, here. Select this, right click, fill, down. See what happens. Whatever the value at the upper column, it's copied into the lower column. Here again, it's a start null value from here. So copy upper value and paste into the null value. Even if you want, you can do like this. Right click, fill, up, up value. So whatever the value below the data, it copied into the null value, which is in the upper cell. Okay, that is fill up and down. So after that, naming conversion. This is also important. See, if you have a header name like this, state, country, postal code. But if you want to write a correct name, we have to write like this: customer underscore name underscore. So create connectivity, and even short form. Don't write in a short form. C name, customer name. Don't write customer name like C name. Write complete name and just continuity, need continuity, even no space, avoid space, use consistency, consistent. Okay, you should write the name in consistent manner. Even it's saying that avoid the space, and the short form is strictly not accepted. So that is the rules of naming the headers. Key for joining. So we already know how to join the tables by using the model view, but here there's two way. Model view, using the model view, that we know. I'm not going to use that. Then first method is go to Power Query, go to Home, go to Merge Query, select the column and match. Okay, go to Home, go to Merge Query, Merge Query as a new. Okay, now. So here this is the order column, sorry, table, and here I'm going to choose anyone, people. So it's a reason and the person. What is the common column? Reason. Select and select and click OK. It's creating a merge table. See here, a separate table whose name is merge. Merge one. And under this table, only that column rows are selected, which is common between this and this. Okay. If you want to know, see, go to the order table, and after that, go to home or transform this one and count row. Click on this. See how much rows are there. This one. Hello. How much rows is visible here? 51,200. 290 in the okay, okay, I'm sorry, because how to zoom it, no problem, I'm going to read it. It's 51,290. And go to the merge column. Column doesn't create it, why? Hold on, let's do this. Merge column doesn't create it, still working. Delete and retry. So you can cancel anytime. Whatever the step you have created, you can cancel it. Okay, now merge column, go to merge, merge as a new. So this is order table, and here I'm going to choose people. Region is the common, the region, and region here, and click OK. So it's created merge column. Okay. For order, we have count how many rows are there? 51,290. and when it's merged with people table, now let's go and count how many rows are there. Same rules. Let's do like this. Maybe it's created same thing. Wait. Let me create other table. With the return I'm going to create. Delete the merge table this one. Go to merge. With the return I'm trying to create a table. What are the common column between returns? That is custom order ID. Where is the order ID? Order ID here and here. Created. Let me count the rows, number of rows here. Again, same thing. I don't know why. But when you merge, it's only merge with the table, yeah, which is match with this ID. Maybe if you match with the order ID or the region column, it will merge with only that column and tell you. I don't know why it's not showing like this. Maybe let me change the position. Wait. Go to merge as a new query, and here I just change the place of table. Okay. So instead of order, I'm going to choose people here, and instead of people, I choose order here. Now region and region. Ah, maybe I did something wrong. See, only this much. So it can choose select the column which is match with this region or maybe customer ID, order ID. So that column can be appear when it's merged. Okay. And same thing we can do with the model view. You know how to drag and drop. Okay. Working with the parameter, I will teach you this in the next class or maybe at the end of today's class. Okay, working with the parameter. Just remind me in the next class. Working with the parameter. And again, merge query type of join. See here, we use merge to join. Wait, I'm going to delete. See here, if you go to the merge, select the merge query, choose order, maybe then return. Common is customer order ID. If I choose order ID, where is the order ID? Order ID. Okay, and you and order ID here, and then here join. So you have so many options. Click on join. Left join, right join, full join, inner join, left anti rows, right anti rows. So use like this. Left hand side means this data. Right hand side means this data. If I click on not left, right join, all from the second match from the first. Okay. Use fuzzy matching to perform the merge. Not required. Wait, it's processing. Okay. See here, the selection match 1173 rows from the second table. That's it. See. So out of 51,000, only 1173 rows are selected. Shall I count this row again? I don't know whether it's correct or not. Transform data, count row. But at that time, it's showing 1173 rows. See this. Hello? 3050 only. 50 only. When we merge the order and the return sheet, only this common rows can be selected. Okay, that is the join. So you can choose inner join, left join, right join. If you choose left join, it means left from the entire column from the left hand side and the common column from the right hand side. Same thing with the right hand side, inner join. Okay. After that, append the query. Okay. Append query, combine the table vertically. Append means add. Hello? Yeah. So go to Power Query, go to the home, go to append, choose the column. See, 2020 cells plus 2024 cells. Both combined become one table. Let's try. Go to the order sheet. We have maybe sales as well as uh, profit. Wait. Okay, let's combine sales and profit. So go to the Power Query, go to home, go to append. Already at home. Append. Where is append? Find it. Here. Append, yes, append query. Correct. So append queries, click on that. Two tables, order, maybe three. So choose this one. tables, profit. Friend, query as a new one. See, select the second table. That is reason. Okay. Okay, this is combining the tables. That's all. Actually, I confused with the column. Choose the column like this here. And when I click on people, click OK. Okay. See here, person is null, null, null. So this is a new column added. Because at the end of order sheet, it's order priority. Here, one column is added. That is person column after order priority. But it should not be in any value. Delete it. So we can append the query combining the table vertically. It's combined the table vertically. Okay. See, actually says 2003 and says 2004. Let me check if we have a data. Maybe another folder. What time is there? 4:25. You feel sleepy. Okay, very good. Because you are not doing from your end, no? You are not doing anything on the computer. That's why. When you are doing something like creating graph or something, okay, you are trying also. So maybe you are tired of the whole day. Okay, no problem. So I want to find the data. Wait a minute. No, no, in this folder. Not relevant. Actually, I created a data set where I store the 2023 and 2024 data. That I'm trying to find it. Not here. Okay, we try to combine these things. What is this? Fab, Jan, and March. We try to combine this. Okay, we need to upload that. Then it will work. It's not uploaded. Anyway, you can just use the pen to add the columns. So actually, I maybe it's not saved. I created a Excel data where there is a two data, that is 2023 sales data and 2024 data, and I combine it to one table. Yes. So choose this one, upload both the data, and then go to append and then add. So it will come. Yes, you will get the, see, like this. So there's two options: append query, append query as a new. So you can use any one. Yes. After that, we have next topic is group by. Okay. So group by is similar to, see, if we have a data like this, region, east region, west region, and sales 500, 500, 1200, like that. If we use group by, it can add, let's suppose east 500, 500. So it's add in a group. West, it add in a group. Okay. So let's try this. Group by, now we are going to add according to the region, because we have both the column in our sheet, the region column and the sales column. Okay. So where is the region column? Okay, fine. Let's directly go to group. For this, we can go to Power Query Editor, go to Home, go to Group By. Where is the Group By? Yes. I want to choose region, and then new column with the count. Wait, non. What is this? Non region. Basic region. Sum is okay. Not custom ID. I want on sales. See, it's added the sum according to the region wise. Okay. So this way you can combine the things. Yes. Applied step. What is this? Query setting. So track all transformation. Remove column, change type, filtered row. How to do this? You can undo, modify step like this. See, it's nothing but whatever the step we doing, just cancel or here. This one. Talking about this. Apply this. So you can anytime cancel it. That is applied step. So track all transformation, remove column, change type, filter row. You can undo and modify step anytime. Okay. After that, duplicate versus reference. Okay. For duplicate, go to Power Query Editor, go to column, and go to query and right click and duplicate column. Okay. See, if you want to create a duplicate column, let's suppose we have sales column. Yes, right click, uh, duplicate column here. At the end, it create a duplicate column. Sales copy. Hello. You are trying in your system. If you are trying, just try it. Go select the column, right click, duplicate column. So it create a copy of column. Create a duplicate column. Yes. Done. Yes, yes, yes. Sometimes if you want to compare the data or modify the things, you need a duplicate column. Safety, or maybe you can, let's suppose you want to compare something or doing something. Yes, you need a duplicate column also sometimes. After that, reference. So Power Query Editor, right click on your query, click reference. A new query will be created. The new query will show formula bar. Okay, let's do it. Again, I'm going to cancel this part and here, cells. Click on this, right click, reference. Where is the reference? No reference. Right. Go to Power Query Editor, right click on your query. Example, sales data. Click reference. Go to column or query, reference link, copy, update automatically. Power Query Editor, right click on your query and okay. The Power Query Editor and query here. This one, right click and so it's a copy. Yes. So whenever we change into the main sheet, it's changed into the reference sheet. Okay. Yes. But whenever we change into the reference sheet, it doesn't change into the main sheet. So main sheet never disturbed. Now you can play with anything with your this data. So your data will be not disturbed, the original data. It will change, automatically change. See, for example, there is a null value in postal code. Okay. In order sheet, there is also a null value in a postal code. Let's try it. So I am going to remove the null value from this entire sheet. Maybe not like that. Just right click, and remove duplicate. Where is the duplicate? Remove duplicates. So maybe null will also gone. Only one null is available here. That's all. Others are deleted. Let's go and check into the reference sheet. Updating, see? Changes. But if I change here, there is no change in the original sheet. How? Just remove this column. Remove. Maybe remove others column. If I click on this, what happens? See, only one column left. Other are gone. No changes here. So I'm going to remove cancel this. Let's come back in original position. Remove this. And this is in the original position. So this is the reference. Now you understand what is duplicate and what is this reference. Let's create a duplicate here. Even you created a duplicate using the column. Now here, duplicate. What is the difference between reference and the duplicate? Duplicate means it's a duplicate copy, no link with the main copy. But reference means it's a duplicate copy but link with the main copy. Done. So you can create a duplicate copy, create a duplicate link column. All right. Transpose data. Transpose means hello. Transpose means column becomes row, row becomes column. Not getting? Huh? Hmm. If you want, I will show you on the Excel. Name, age, salary. Name maybe my name is Amit. Age is maybe 36 or 37, something like this. Salary is something like this. Give me some more people. Age is 26. Salary is more than me. Okay. Now this is rows and this is column. Yeah, select it. Control C. Control C. Copy. Come here and paste as a value. Transpose. Not happening anything. It's happening. The rows become column and column become rows. Here we are going to use the transpose. For that, I have to make the data smaller. Then you can understand. So okay. We can play with the duplicate copy. Okay. So we already created. I'm selecting some of the rows. Maybe uh, the, 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 the date column, one of the date column, and then customer name, and then country, not country, country. That's it. Three is enough. And right click, remove others. So only three column we get. After that, from here. Okay, wait. That's all. No problem. Only this much. Okay. And I just select. Wait. Just remove the duplicate. Done or not? Okay, maybe it's done now. Now, when I choose only the particular countries like this one, A. After that, I will go for B, go for C. That's all. Maybe D also. One more. That's all. Recording is going on. Okay. What? Where's the recording? Ah, it's working. Don't worry about it. Here, yeah, duplicate is gone, but we have selected the 560. Now let's try for group by transpose data. For transposing, transform, transpose. Here, click. Got it? Rows become column, column becomes rows. So that is transpose. After that, we have move column and the sort, something like that. So move column and sorting. How to do this? Sort cells descending, move. Okay. See, uh, I'm going to use reference column. If you want to duplicate column, yeah, just use this one. Cancel, 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 cancel. Now we have the same. If you want to take this at the beginning and drag, shift it. If you want name, customer name as the beginning, drag. Either in the first column or the second column, anywhere. Shift it. So you can shift it. After that, yes. After that, sort ascending, descending. Let's suppose you want to choose a name. Go to this arrow, ascending and descending. Anything. Descending. See this. Z come first. So this way we can use so many things. We have lots of topic in this seeds, and then we can cover it. Don't worry. We have yes. So these are very small things, but we have to learn because as we have to cover all the entire syllabus. Okay then. I will share the sheet also and share the video also, and try to cover all the things faster because we have lots of things to read. Okay. All right then. Bye bye.